So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So if you are yet to subscribe and you have not done that yet, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we post one or two updates for you guys, you would not miss out on any single updates. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So now take a look at this level here. This is a double top that markets eventually did give us, right? We did this prediction yesterday. We said that for today, we would expect GBP USD to give us a bearish move, and it did exactly what we predicted it to do. We said that whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP USD, be going in for the sell, and GBP USD eventually give us the sell. So this is one of the reasons why, if you have not yet subscribed, in order for you not to miss out on the next quality updates, right? All you just need to do now is click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments, and you can also follow the Telegram channel. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, this is our first low that market did give us, right? And here comes to be our lower high, right? Now, this is also our lower low. So expect market to actually still drop further before we expect the lower high. Now, what we are going to be expecting for the day, we are going to sit on our 4-hour time frame, meaning we should be expecting market to push up a little bit and then one more drop. So that is to tell you that for today, GBP USD will be giving us a bearish move. Why are we going to expect that movement? Is that when you take a look at it right here, you can see the trend. We are in a downtrend move, and so the rules of trading says always trade with the trend. So now this is the rejection zone right here, whereby market rejected from here and also rejected from here. Now market was able to drop, then it gave us a little bit of a pullback, right? And market was able to drop again, then give us a little bit of a pullback. Market then was able to drop, and we will be expecting a little bit of a pullback before market will drop again. So that is to tell you that for the day, we will be expecting a bearish move on GBP USD. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next update.